It's already 8 months now. We're going to see the patient. His complaint was thinning her hair from the crown, mid-scalp, and the frontal area. We did the design around here, and we fill up the indication is to increase the density, the frontal area, the forelock, the frontal temple angle here, and we can see today it's already 8 months, and the density, the angle, the direction, placement was good, in place correctly, and it looks natural, and we can comb the hair upwards, and it gives the height to frame the face up again.
So already 8 months ready, so I feel very happy.